Bon après-midi, good afternoon. I started another project here without finishing the other one. So let's try to finish the other one. New project on the horizon. I'm gonna extend it a little bit. Remove that, make the bed a little bit bigger. Tired of the dandelions. All right, so let's go and try to finish that other project I had. Let's go and try to couper the bois. Container is empty. I drained it. I'm gonna cut this piece of this log or branch and put them in there so that I could plant the carrots. Wood into the container and then some soil on top so that the carrots could grow. I don't know what else to do with the wood. Can't burn them. Siye bois. Let's fetch my handy dandy tool here because I was doing something else. I was using that to cut the board over there, the board. Okay, kai couper bois et puis chenn-ligojin. Okay, really use this thing. I bought this after Hurricane Sandy. It looks like it needs some adjustments. On est pour ajouter. C'est ça qu'il y a dire qu'il y a ajouter. Donc siye bois chess pour mettre dans le container A. As I remember, check the oil. It looks like we got a little bit of oil in there. Should be sufficient. Bar and chain oil. Bar chain oil. Okay, easy adjust. So I could use this. See, looks like it might fit on there. Okay, let's loosen this a bit. I think I have another screwdriver somewhere else. Let me see this one. Let's see. Okay, good. I know you gotta. I forgot how to tighten this shit up. Okay, that's good enough for me. Yeah. You're supposed to leave a little bit of. Where did my thing go? What the hell? You're supposed to leave a little bit of slack in the chain, but I forgot how to do this. If I get hurt, I got health insurance. No, that's this way. Ok, anoye couper bois. Bois chèche. C'est mon lodi. Je vais faire top twin. En de la coua. En de voisinage là. Alright, so let's stretch this thing out there. My beach bike. Old man moves slow as hell. Let's get this out of the way. Lots of projects I gotta do. My typewriter I gotta clean and set up. Let's see if this is long enough to get to back there. I know it did last time. Okay. Voila. Okay. Let's go and get the chainsaw and do some two-piece cutting. That will be it. Don't do this. Hurt yourself. I said this. I'm doing this at my own risk. Wear the appropriate gloves and everything else. Okay, let's put this on the ground. Okay. Cover your ears. All right. Let's see this. That's that length. Cut it right here. But this length right here. Oh shit. Come on. All right. Let's go check the cord. This cord is always sketchy. Need to get a new extension cord. Right, let's see. Let's see what we can do here. There you go. Right here. Yeah, homeboy, I'm sorry, man. Dude is watching his TV next door. And I'm making so much noise and trying to be as quiet as possible. And as usual, I fucked up. I messed up a bit. All right, let's try to wrap this up. Let's try to wrap this up quickly. Okay. I hate shit like that. Come on, man. That's what happens when you don't plan, which I never do. Okay, whatever. Go a little bit shorter than this. I'm pretty sure OSHA would find me if I were a professional. press on the blade like that, I'm doing all the shit I'm not supposed to be doing on another blade on the wood. All right. Okay. You're almost over, almost done. See, the blade needs to be sharpened, or I need a new blade. Okay. All right. I think I will do this with a something else. So let me wrap it up. Moi fini pour aujourd'hui. Let me wrap this up with this last cut here, because I really don't want to use something else on that. Let's go and see if I can cut. This piece of thing over here. Don't forget, I really don't like this chainsaw too much. All right, let's think that that's as far as I'll go, because it's kind of risky to do stuff like that. So I'm just gonna break it. It's not necessary anyway. All right. So man, I'm done for today. Old man gonna take another day off, and I'm gonna see where it's gonna get me. Let me pack this thing up And when I come back, I will nail this thing up. All right.